Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to cook brinjal fry, which is also called as gutti vankai kura or fry in Telugu. And this is the brinjal I'm going to use for this recipe. Shall we see how to cook? Clean and wash the brinjals and take it in a bowl. And slit all the brinjals into 4 halves. There should be space to fill the masala. Now for the masala, we need to add 1.5 cup of chana dal. Then add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. And then add 5 to 6 teaspoons of red chili powder to it. Now squeeze half lemon to it and then add required salt to it and add cumin powder. Then grind it into a powder, add oil, then mix it with little water into a paste. Should be like this for the stuffing. Now salt the brinjals in a kadai with a lid. Put a lid on that so that it is boiled and becomes little soft. Stir it well once in a while so that all sides of the brinjal is cooked. Now sprinkle little salt on the upper parts of the brinjal and cool it and stuff the brinjals with the masala and fry it in the kadai once again. Now the brinjal is ready. Gutti vankai brinjal fry is ready. My gutti vankai vepudu is ready. I'm going to taste it. It's very tasty. Please try at home. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Bye bye.